Alright, I'm going to go over how you can change the location of the map on the contact page. And it's pretty easy, so let's just go over it real quick. It's actually done in a JavaScript file, so we go under JS, our JS folder, under libs, there is a file called maps.js, and let's open that up. And it looks a little confusing, but the only thing we need to look for are two things, and they are the longitude and latitude coordinates. And there's actually two of them. There's one right here, it's around 51 and 0, and then one around here that's the same thing. And so we're going to want to switch both of these real quick. So how do we grab them? How do we grab a longitude and latitude? It's actually pretty simple if you don't already know how. Let's go ahead and go to our Google Maps and let's pick a location. So on our live preview we had London, so let's go to San Francisco. And once you have your spot picked out on your map, you can right click on it and go what's here. And if you do that, it automatically populates this search field with the longitude and latitude, which is pretty sweet. So I'll do that again for you. If you right click and do what's here, it populates the longitude and latitude for you. So let's go ahead and grab that. We'll copy it, and we're done with Google Maps for now. And let's go into our maps.js file, and we'll replace our two different longitude and latitudes with our new one. So let's paste that in there, and then we go down and we paste it in here. And they want to be matching. Basically, one tells us where to go, where the center of the map is, and then the other one says where the marker should go. Just to go ahead and give you an FYI. So we'll save our file now, and if we refresh it, we're in San Francisco now. I can go ahead and zoom out, and we are in San Francisco. We are here. And that's all you need to know to edit that. So I'm going to go ahead and close out of here since we just edited our maps.js file. And let me just close out real quick. So another thing to note is in the contact.html file, I'm just going to go ahead and kind of give you a breakdown of how it works. Is you'll notice if you go to that area in the page, it's div ID map, and the map's actually inserted via JavaScript, as we have already found out. So that's why it's already blank, if you were a little confused earlier. And another thing to note is if you're trying to put the map on another page as well, you'll want to grab this script and make sure that you've added this script on your other page. This one isn't on all the pages, just this maps page, or the contact page. So, just one thing to note. And in the documentation, if anybody has trouble with this one, because it's JavaScript, you can just exit out of that JavaScript map and then use this regular embedded map. You can just uncomment that. Here, we'll save it and kind of view it. This regular map just uses the normal pinpoint and this whole bunch of iframe embed code. And if we go back to maps.google.com in San Francisco, how you grab this embed code is this link at the top and this iframe code. And you just copy it out, and then you'll adjust the width and the height. And that's just there if you didn't really feel comfortable editing the JavaScript or didn't really like the JavaScript. You can go ahead and do that instead. So yeah, and those are your two map options. You can use whichever one you want. Yeah.